Internal miters are very handy when it comes to joining up your skirting boards. Joining your skirting boards to adjacent skirting is very important and allows the room to flow and look tidy too. There's nothing worse than having your new skirting ruined by poor or rough joining jobs. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do an internal mitre with your skirting boards. Before you begin, here's the tools and materials you'll need to get the job done. You'll need a chop saw or a hand saw, a mitre block, adhesive, packers, tape measure, pencil, sandpaper and a brush. Step 1. Before starting, make sure the area you intend to fit the skirting boards is nice and clean. If you see any dirt or debris within the area or even dust, grab a brush and start removing them until the area is clean. Step 2. Before you cut the skirting board, first measure the walls to see how long they are, and then once satisfied, mark the first skirting board. Then, using a chop saw or a hand saw combined with a mitre block, have the skirting board facing you and cut the end at a 45-degree angle. Once done, then cut the skirting board to the size of the wall and make sure it fits. When you are satisfied, get the other skirting board, mark the spot and make sure to cut it at 45 degrees in the opposite direction. Step 3. Next, using sandpaper, take the burr off the skirting boards. Test the mitre joint using dry fixing. If it looks good, you can then proceed to the next step. If it's off, repeat step 2 by marking and rechecking the mitre joins. If the mitre joint is good, flip the skirting board so that you can see the back of them. Then, in a zigzag line, apply adhesive. Once done, grab the skirting boards and stick them one by one carefully on the walls. Use pressure to allow the skirting to stick properly on the wall. Once the two are stuck down and connected at the join, let the glue set for a while. When the glue is set, you will then have to fix your skirting board to the wall. If you want to know how to fix skirtings in greater details, watch our video How to Fix Skirting on our YouTube page. And that is how to do an internal mitre. Hopefully you guys found it useful and insightful. If you liked the video, please do give it a like, and of course if you want to see more content from us, do remember to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, we will see you in our next video.